Let's explore some additional editing features using photos this time. Select Edit and open the Tools menu. You can edit in many ways. You can remove the background, turn your image into a video, and even remove layers from your photo and reposition them. Use the Style menu to change the design in some very unique ways. From the menu bar, you can also remove the background, erase parts of the image, change the colors, add a border, then change the weight, color, and style of the border. When you have selected your photo, you will see an additional menu bar just above your image. Click the three dots to see the full menu. From here you can duplicate your image, align it on your page, set the image as your background, or use the photo colors to create a matching background